gavana we county ya Gusii igotore nje no mugaka machogu no mingo magara echamani yetu Fred Matiang'i ndomu atisegi moja na muikali moso chomondo robe morai go moleta gatwani tonyenye moleta kamburi turangeri Matiang'i tuwego bososo to ndemondi yaramani Mosabono bono mugaka machogu no be gavana igona igubobe nate ituno mondo totalete borusi simba pero tochamile nane okololi chigavana cha Gusii wate sio mugako yo mintu Matiang'i bantu bamo nyama ya chile lino mobwate si tokomanyerika omo muroyo na bako gamense bande baitondoli balili una tongorrakana osema nangorrekana ni una lichara na wanyene keramo barango kwana alibunge ngagengo kwana yes so tuanchane Zahir, my brother, you are my friend. I saw you get into politics. Thank you for apologizing to Mzee Machogu. We must accept that whether we are on either side, we must treat each other with dignity, we must be responsible, and we must not carry arms around markets because we are destroying our community. We are destroying Kisii. Kisii has never been violent since I was born. In 2007, other communities came and settled in Kisii Stadium until everything was sorted out. We never worship violence. With those very many manenos, you won't angelia manene fredi ya kwane amanya korangelia bagani mara omo ishimiwa birundu noara omo ishimiwa